Guys, it is a hot day in Georgia today. It's only the second week of April and we haven't gotten any rain yet. So I'm out here watering my flowers and my new shrubs. I've been watering them about every other day because it's hot and they're newly planted. So you got to keep them watered, especially when they're still producing flowers. But it's so hot today, guys. I can't even stand out here with the hose. I put on my sprinkler today. And it's truly the first watering my lawn has gotten thus far. Hopefully we'll get some rain over the weekend. In which case, if we get a good rain, this lawn is going to explode with green and growth. So I'm holding off on putting down my next fertilizer and pre-emergent. We're going to talk more about that later, but just wanted to give you a quick update of what's going on here. So I noticed that nothing is growing in this pot, and I'm not quite sure why. Maybe the seeds are duds, I don't know. So when I went to the growers outlet today, I picked up some annuals. I don't buy a lot of annuals, but I do love Gerber daisies, and they were on sale for about $3. So of course I picked up some Gerber daisies, and I'm going to put a Gerber daisy in this pot to bring some color to my patio. I'm going to get rid of some of this dirt so I can get my Gerber daisy in there. Kind of chop this up, mix it up a bit. And I have put a little fertilizer in this a little while ago, a few weeks ago. So let's make a good, nice little hole for my Gerber daisy. And this soil is good and moist. Plop that in, put a little dirt around it. We'll have some color on the table. And Gerber daisies in Georgia do tend to last the whole season. I had some last season. They were absolutely gorgeous. And for $3, you can't beat it. And we'll save the rest of this dirt and plop it somewhere else, like in this plant right behind us. This, by the way, is one of the seeds that we planted about a month ago. It's coming in nicely. And it's already starting to have a few buds. Look at that. So, fellow gardeners, tell me, what is your favorite plant that you can't pass by? You absolutely have to buy, especially when it's on sale. Let me know in the comments. See you guys next time.